Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Forever Clean Soap Works. Probably wondering why you're staring at this and not at my face. I got a new arm for my camera. I should say for my phone. Don't have a camera, just a camera phone. Anyway, hold on. Just so you know it's me. Hello! I know, I'm crazy. Okay. I am making some soap for a wholesale customer again, and she wants it in a new different size mold. She used to get round, now she's getting square, and I actually had a soap stamp made for her with her logo on it. So she will be getting customized stamped soaps. I'm going to do a video when I stamp them. It's going to be so cool. Anyway, I made a video earlier. I'm going to confess here. And I messed up. So I'm not going to show you. But it was funny. So instead of losing the soap, which I very well could have, I just plopped it in a one of my regular loaf molds. And that one will be for me instead of her. So, can you see this weird stuff in the bottom? You know what that is? That is goat milk. My oils got a little too warm. And so I actually went and got some goat milk out of the freezer and plopped some in here. And it's cooling it down a little bit. But you can see it doesn't mix in very well. You know why there's a reflection on the light? Because the light is practically right over my head. So, let's see. I don't know if you can see that. There are like globs of goat milk. Well, what we do with that is to actually hit it with the mixer and it will emulsify it. But I'm not going to do it just yet. The reason is I'm going to show you what I do when I mix my colors for, oh, I forgot a stick, sorry. I always forget something, don't I? While I'm over here, I'm going to grab gloves because they're over here on the other side of the room. I don't need them just yet, but I got them. Okay, this is the lemongrass soap. Everybody assumes lemongrass is yellow. Lemongrass is not yellow. Lemongrass is green. So, what I do is I use my Mad Micas. This is Yellow Raincoat. And I mix it with Maniacal Pea. And it makes a really cool green color. But lighter, like a lemony green. I can't explain the color. It's really cool. So what I'm going to do is mix this up while my lye water is cooling. And people are going to probably get on me because I don't measure. I have been making soap for, I don't know, 18 years, 19 years, 20 years, something like that. And I can pretty much eyeball it and tell you if it's too much or not enough. I know. Anyway, I want to tell you about Mad Micas. It's the only colors I use. The only colors I use. Because they mix in so well, they're ethically sourced, they don't purchase from any country or anybody who hires children or tests on animals, and they don't have carmine in it. Do you know what carmine is? It's bugs. Yeah, ground up bugs. So that's why I like Mad Micas. I have an affiliate link that I will post in the description. And if you want your own Mad Micas, if you could click that affiliate link, I get a tiny bit of money when you purchase something. And it costs you nothing. So help me out here and use the affiliate link and enjoy some Mad Micas. Look at this, my handy dandy little mixer. I love this thing. Oh my gosh, everybody sells them. I mean, you can get them just about anywhere, and I think the most I've ever paid is like $7.95. They're inexpensive. I wear mine out though because I use it a lot. But can you see how that's kind of gloppy? Yeah, this thing mixes fast. And ta-da! It's mixed in. Look at that. Now here's the other thing that this thing is really good for. The soap I made a mistake on. I used a neon color, and neons are not easy to mix in because they're different. So normally I can just use my little stick, mix it up, and it's great. But with neons, that little mixer, oh my gosh, it takes that long and it's totally mixed up and you don't get any speckles or anything like that. It's great. It is really, really great. So, hold on. I'm going to go check and see if my lye water is cool. It's almost cool enough. I have it sitting in the window, and since it's only like 18 degrees, it'll cool quick. Anyway, I'm going to mix this up and emulsify it. I just used this mixer. Just used it. So I didn't wash it off. Don't get on me. It's the same recipe, same everything. I just used it. Okay? That's all emulsified. So it doesn't look weird in the oil anymore. Because it's kind of floaty and kind of not floaty, and it's just weird. So I'm going to put you on pause. And then when my lye water is ready in just a few minutes, I'll bring you back and I'll show you how I do this and show you how I pour it and all that good stuff. So hold on. So everything has cooled down and I'm ready to add my lye water. And I'm going to put you on hold because I just got a customer. Be right back. I'm back. Such is the life of a soap shop owner. When I'm the only one here. So I am going to suit up for safety. Do I sound like one of those videos when you get hired in somewhere and they have you watch that safety video? But you should. You should wear your gloves and always, 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 always wear eye protection. You don't want a bar of soap to be the reason you go blind. I know that sounds harsh, but it's true. It is very true. Okay, I'm just going to hit this one more time because it was cooling, so it's separated a little bit. And that is just the oils and the goat milk. And here goes the lye water. I put my goat milk in my oil, and then I discount the water for the lye. I don't want to burn my goat milk. It's still dripping out of there, so give me a second here. All right. Cool. I don't want a thick trace. I don't. I want to be able to pour this. And I forgot my little container to mix my color in, so hold on. 1 second. Got it. Got my little container. I'm going to mix my lemongrass. See, it's double cupped because it'll eat through that thing in a minute if you don't double cup it. Just going to mix it in really well. I did not use any titanium dioxide, which would lighten up my yellow oils because it's okay if it looks yellow. And I don't have any titanium dioxide. I have to order some. I know. I need to get on it. Can you see what I'm doing? Let me move this. This is the first time I've used my new arm. So I got to position everything correctly so you can see what I'm doing. I am pouring in my color. big old blob in there. There we go. Mix it in really well. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Ugh. Real lemongrass is not yellow. Real lemongrass is green. So with the combination of my oils being very yellowy, the lemongrass essential oil is yellow, and then this little bit of green, it's going to look beautiful. So, look at that. I'm going to dump it in, because we're going to do an in the pot swirl. I'm a stickler for getting it all out of there. You ever watch those cooking shows and they leave like half of the stuff in the bowl? Do you hate it, or you want to just yell at them, scrape it out? I want to yell at them to scrape it out. I do. I swear. Okay, here goes. There's one. See, it's getting a little thick on me. I'm going to stir it. And this is fine. You just do that and it, you know, lays right back down. Like I said, first time using my little arm here, so I'm hoping you can see everything. I will adjust later. I'm going to switch hands so I can use my spatula to help. I do not make anything without making a mess. Just so you know. Now I could make these really pretty on the one side. I might do that. Because, you know, the other side will be smooth. And why not? I mean, really, why not? I will tap this down, though, so that it gets all the way in the corners. Gosh, I love this color. Don't you? I mean, look at that. Mad Micah's has just the best colors. I don't actually go wild when I order their colors. I just kind of get the basics. You know, the orange, yellow, green, blue. You have to make red. But gosh, they have the best colors. I think I'm going to leave it kind of, you know, swooshy like that on top. That looks cool. I like this. That one's a little full. Take a dab out of there. This one is not as full, so I'm going to take a dab out of here. Put it in there. And then I'll tap it again. Swirl, swirl. Look at that. Now, she may not like them swirled like this. I don't know. This is the first time we're doing this. So I'm trying not to leave any big things on the top. Just, you know, kind of interesting looking, because it's handmade soap. You want interesting looking. Just make sure that they are full, though. That is so cool. I love it. See why I like making soap? I mean, really, this is just fun. Can't wait to unmold it to see what the other side looks like. Okay, I gotta get that last little bit in this other mold. See, can you, oh, are you not seeing that? There, you can see that. Okay. I don't keep asking you if you can see it, like you're going to answer me while I'm making this stuff. Because you are not going to answer me. Okay. And I think what I might do is snap a picture and ask her if she wants the top smooth or if she wants textured like that. I like the texture. I really do. I'm not going to leave these like that. I'm going to smooth them. I just want to get it all out of this container while I'm scooping. Get it all out. Okay, let's see where we're at. Awesome. Awesome. A little bit in here, and a little bit in there, and we're full. Every time I do that, it makes a little bloop. Kind of neat looking. So I think I've tamped it down good. First time using a square mold, but I think I got it. What do you think? I think these are going to be cool. I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to smooth out a couple of them a little bit because I want to make sure I got enough in them. I think I do. I think I did it. Okay. And that's it. I'm done. And tomorrow, when I take these out and I go to stamp them, well, I have to see if they're ready to be stamped tomorrow. When I do go to stamp them, I'm going to video that because there's a couple tricks to do to keep the stamp from sticking and not looking nice. So cool. I will make a new video tomorrow. So see ya. Oh wait. Hold on here.